2011 Ford F-150 5.0 liter XL. Still got the stock factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals all the way back, and we did it in 2-inch so it can clap, and we dumped it right there with dump downs, turn downs, whatever you want to call them, right there. You always want to do that crossover to make up for that, for the pipe, because one will be shorter than the other, but when you cross them over like that, it equalizes the length and gives a more smooth sound, complete sound. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2013 Dodge Ram Power Wagon 2500 5.7 liter Hemi. Yeah, that was a mouthful. We got stock converters right there and right there, factories. Then we true dualed it, 2.5 straight pipe, all the way back into mandrel bent tailpipes, 2.5 also, there and there, with turn downs. You didn't want to see the tips or nothing. You don't see anything when it's on the ground. Be nice and hidden, nice and clean. There she is. We shall let you guys hear it in a minute. 7 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did a true dual all the way back, 2.25, all the way, and you got to cross them there to even out the flow, as you guys can see. So when you take it to a muffler shop, make sure they cross them all the way back, out of the way, into mandrel bent tailpipes, right there and right there, and then massive 6-inch tips right there and right there. It's gonna sound phenomenal. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is. That's beast mode to the max right there. Hell yeah. Back it up. Yeah, baby. Ford F-150 right there. One more. Go ahead. The sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Wow. It's like 123. I don't know if you guys saw that. Again. Go ahead. Yeah, the highest was 123. That's awesome. It's too quiet. It needs to be louder.
Yeah. My wife's gonna be super happy.
Yeah. Now it sounds like a power wagon. That is just beastly. I like it. Woo! Anytime you want it really loud, you gotta go True Dual. Costs more, but it's well worth it. Again? What you guys hear on the inside? Power wagon beast. Cut. 2007 Chevy Silverado. See you guys.